Hi, I'm Richard Krueger from the University of Minnesota. This is a series of sessions on focus group interviews, and today we're going to talk about the question, what makes focus groups research? It's an interesting question because suppose you have or you were watching two groups of people, and in these two groups they were having a conversation. They looked like each other in a number of ways. One of them was a focus group and one of them was a conversation. How can you tell the difference between the two? There's some similarities they have. They're both about the same size. They both have people talking to each other. But the focus group has some telltale differences. It's being recorded. Notes are being taken about what's being said. Somebody is guiding this conversation, and everyone in the group is encouraged to share. And what's interesting is that there's a limited number of questions that are asked that are related to each other. Focus groups are designed to deliberately look like a natural event. We want them to resemble a conversation. We deliberately try to create this environment. This is part of what's called naturalistic inquiry, creating an environment that's comfortable and natural to the participants and let them talk in a way where they feel comfortable and relaxed with the conversation. But focus groups have an established protocol. There is a plan, and this plan has systematic steps that we follow. It begins with a research question or a research problem. Participants are carefully selected based on their background or experience with a topic. We follow standard procedures for data handling. Colleagues are involved in helping us capture the data, and that's an effort to minimize bias. And we use verifiable procedures along the way. We'll talk about those in a bit. The focus group is designed to gather information. It's not there to convince or persuade or educate or inform. Focus group research can vary. It varies in a number of ways. One way of thinking about it is to use the categories of traditional academic research that sheds light on theory and practice. Another category is what we call program evaluation, and the goal there is to seek insights on a specific program, a service, or an effort. Or another category could be what's called needs assessment, where we try to gather data on a community or a group. Our next session is going to be on planning the focus group. We hope you'll find it helpful.